Hello everyone, is your WordPress website loading very slow and your image is taking forever to load, and even after doing everything your Google PageSpeed score is still low? Then this video is going to be a game changer for you, because today I will show you one powerful free cache plugin that can speed up your website, convert images to WebP automatically, clear cache instantly, minify CSS, JS and HTML codes, and enable CDN feature. And the best part is, it's absolutely for free, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Hi, my name is Balasar and I am a WordPress web developer, where I share practical tutorials on WordPress, SEO, website designing and all. If you are here, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Here you can see in my previous tutorial, I have created this WordPress website designing 3 hours masterclass. After creating a WordPress website, most people face these problems like website loads slowly, images are not optimized, page speed score is very low, old cache keeps showing, and site not ranking on Google. Okay, why does this happen? Because behind every WordPress website there are few files like CSS, JavaScript, HTML, PHP and images. If these are not optimized, your site becomes very slow. So what's the solution? Here you can see this single plugin can, this LiteSpeed Cache plugin can cache server level caching, it can do image optimization, it can do WebP conversion, CSS and JavaScript minification, lazy loading, lazy load, database cleanup, CDN integration. It does everything. That's why millions of websites are using it. Here you can see it is having like 7 million plus active installations. And now let's see the practical setup. I will show you how to set up this LiteSpeed Cache plugin. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard and go to this plugin section. And here click on this add plugin option. And in the search bar type LiteSpeed Cache, and this is a cache plugin we are going to use. They are having like 7 million plus active installations and 5-star ratings. Click on install now and click on activate it. So after activating it, here you can see we are having this option called LiteSpeed Cache, and click on the settings option, or else on the bottom of WordPress website here you will see this option called LiteSpeed Cache. Click on this LiteSpeed Cache option, and after selecting LiteSpeed Cache, click on this dashboard option. Here we will enable this CDN feature. Okay, what is this CDN feature? CDN feature is the one if your website is if your website users are visiting your website from different parts of the world, so what this cache CDN feature will do, your website content will be stored in 2-3 servers along in the worldwide. So whenever someone visits whenever particular user visits your website, so your website content will be transferred from your nearest server location of the particular user. Okay, and first we will optimize this QI cloud services. Just click on this enable cloud services, and here you need to register your website with your email ID password. Okay, let me click on this my Google account and I will register on using my Google account. Click on agree. Here you need to agree the terms and conditions, and I will register with my Google account. And here you can see I have successfully registered to this account and have accepted the terms and conditions. And here you need to click on this enable CDN and continue with setup, and click on confirm choice. And here you need to click on this finish setup. And now we have successfully integrated the CDN setup in our website. Okay, now let's select this presets option. So in this presets option, we don't need this option. Click on this general settings, and here we have successfully, here you can see we have successfully integrated the CDN feature in our website. And if I select this general settings, here you need to disable this automatic upgrade. Please click on off, and here you can enable this guest mode option and also guest optimization. You can enable these two options, and after enabling these options you have to click on this save changes. Now let's select this general settings, and in general settings make these options as default. No need to change anything. Click on this save changes option. Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. And now let me scroll down here, click on this cache option. Let me select this cache option. After selecting the cache option, here you can see you need to enable this cache, and also you need to enable the cache mobile. On mobile also you have to enable this cache. Okay, after enabling this, click on this save changes option, and after this you don't need to enable any of these options. We don't need any of these options to customize. Now let's select CDN option. So we have already integrated the CDN option in our website. No need to change anything, and click on this image optimization option, and you need to select this image optimization option. And after selecting the image optimization, you need to select this second one, image optimization settings, and you need to scroll down, and here you need to select this next gen image format to WebP. Because WebP is a smallest file, whenever we upload a particular image in our website, it will convert that image into WebP format, and it is the optimized format. Okay, let me scroll down, and here also you need to select this, enable this option, and after enabling these settings, click on save changes. Next, you need to select this page optimization option, and here you can see we are having like CSS, JS, and HTML. So these are the files in our website. So you need to minify these files. So for CSS minify, in CSS settings, you need to enable the CSS minify. Click on save changes, and next select JavaScript settings, and here also you need to enable this JS minify and click on save changes. And also here you need to select this HTML settings, and you have to minify this HTML settings also. Click on save changes, and here let me select this media options, media settings, and here you need to enable this. This is very optional, lazy load images, because if you enable this, whenever your website loads, if you are having like high quality images, they will be loaded very slow, and remaining content like text or buttons, they will be loaded very fast in your website. Okay, you can enable or disable as per your requirement. Okay, and also you can enable this responsive placeholder too, and after making these changes, click on this save changes. So here after enabling this, images will be loaded only when it is needed. Okay, it will give us huge page speed boost. Okay, so after making these changes, click on the save settings, and now let's visit our website. Let me refresh this website, and after making these changes, these are the settings you need to change. After making all these changes, whenever users visit your website from any part of the country, so your websites will load very faster. Here you can see this is a website, pagespeed.web.dev. Please visit this website, and here you can enter your website name. So let me enter my website URL. Let me click on this here. Let me add my website URL and click on analyze option. So it will start analyzing it. Here you can see in the mobile it has increased to 90%, and it is showing best practices 100%. And in the desktop also it is showing like 99% accessibility and 100% best practices. Okay, so with this LiteSpeed Cache plugin, you get faster website, better SEO ranking, lower bounce rate, better user experience, and high conversions.
If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.